This jacket has been getting a lot of attention since release, and for good reason. Praised by many customers about how cool it looks and how easy to style with. But do you actually know what makes it well made? Today, we're gonna analyze this popular item from a manufacturing perspective. Hey guys, welcome back to Apparel Assessment. We are looking at the Windproof Stand Blouson from UNIQLO, known for its clean, minimal look and functional design. At first glance, this jacket features two-layer constructions, and according to the brand, the main shell is 100% nylon, the lining is 100% polyester, and this is a common fabric construction for a light jacket like this. You get a windproof outer layer and a breathable mesh lining for comfort. For main fabric, this is a modified plain weave, specifically a web direction dobby. Dobby texture gives a tight surface that helps create good form and durability, while the web direction weave makes the fabric feel softer and more flexible. On the inner side, the fabric is laminated with windproof coating film. This can be PU or some kind of polymer layer, and you have that combined with the water repellent finishing on the surface. Please note that this water repellent finishing is not permanent. The performance will decrease over time. This product can resist some light rain, just don't use it as a raincoat, my fellas. On average, to make a jacket like this, technically you need about 3.6 meters square of main fabric. You need 2.2 meters square of lining fabric. Elastic cord on the helm and on the hood, you need about 2.3 meters. And you also need 2 cord stopper on the helm. You need 2 more on the hood, and a main zipper and a smaller zipper here on the inner pocket. You also need 8 snap set on the placket and for the side pockets. Lastly, you will have 5 Velcro set on the cuff and at the hood. For your information, all this material can be sourced from Vietnam. However, coating fabric like this one is not likely ready-made in the country. Factory might have to research and develop per order specification. The rest can easily be sourced in Vietnam with plenty of options in both style and production volume. Now, let's get technical. How can we assemble this sleek yet functional design? The construction of this jacket can be broken down into body with front and back panel and lining, hood that roll up into the collar and fully adjustable, raglan sleeve with adjustable cuff, placket with snap button and zipper closure, pocket, 2 snap button pocket and 1 zipper inner pocket, drawstring hem for better fit and shape. This jacket design does showcase several key construction features common in high quality and functional product. Starting from the hood and the collar, these 2 parts are closely connected. The hood is built with an internal draw coat and a stabilizing tape that connects the hood shell to the lining to prevent shifting. Collar flap neatly folds the hood inside and secure it with Velcro. This also adds thickness to the collar, creating a more dynamic and stylish look. Moving to the sleeve, this cut roomy cut naturally results in a wide cuff opening. So the elastic here not only enhances comfort but also helps pull in the excess width, create a cleaner fit even before the Velcro tab is adjusted. So, if you're looking for a relaxed sleeve silhouette solution, this might be a good example of a neat and comfortable one. To the main body, here we have matching color YKK zipper, a hanging loop, main label, and a very wide inner pocket with teardrop zipper. We also have lining that mirror the shells with stabilizing tape, just like we found in the hood. And also regarding this, there are some interesting details that we want to highlight here. Typically, the outer shells and the lining are sealed separately at first. Then, both layers are joined together with right sides facing each other, usually around the neckline, front pocket, and helm. A small sections, often on the sleeve seams or the helm, is intentionally left open. After stitching, the garment is inverted through this opening to turn it to the correct size. Once everything is properly aligned and pressed, the hole is closed. That's how this jacket looks so clean with no visible raw edges inside or out. To the outer front body, we have two roomy front pockets, secure and quite convenient with a snap button and extend flap. Also, this drawstring and cord stopper is really easy to adjust. And lastly, you can always tell if this is a quality product by the bar tags and reinforcement in all the stress area. This is a proof for the durability and refined finishing. Considering all these components, just the sewing process alone requires around 3 types of specialized machines. An overlock machine for joining these pieces together, a single needle lock stitch machine for the main assembly, and also you need a button press machine for attaching these buttons. Finally, to the grading sections. For complexity, we can give this jacket a 8 out of 10 comparing to other typical jacket design out there. Pricing, this can be sourced in Vietnam for the price around 18 to 22 US dollar per piece, or the quantity around 10,000 pieces, depending on the fabric, the trims, and all the specific requirements. Accessibility, once again, coated fabric can be developed in Vietnam, but it requires specific R&D. All the lining fabric and trims can be easily customized locally. Finishing quality, I can give this jacket a solid 9 out of 10. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by UNIQLO or whatsoever, but they maybe should consider paying us though. So that's more of this jacket for you to consider besides the look and styling. Do you think it's worth the hype? Let us know in the comment down below. If you want to know more about jacket manufacturing in Vietnam, drop us an email via info@vietnamtextileandsalary.com. We look forward to assist you along the way. We will see you next time.